In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Synthesia Team Features. We'll walk through accessing your workspace, collaborating efficiently, and managing permissions so your team can create videos smoothly and securely. Start by opening your browser and searching for Synthesia. Choose the official site from the results, making sure the URL looks correct and secure. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your usual credentials. You'll land in your workspace, where you can open the video you want to work on. If you have multiple projects, use the search or recent items to find the right one quickly. Inside the Synthesia editor, collaboration starts with commenting. You can leave time-stamped feedback on specific scenes or elements so your teammates see exactly what you mean in context. Keep comments clear and actionable, and remember to resolve them when changes are made. This keeps threads tidy and avoids duplicate work. Your progress is automatically captured by version history. If a change doesn't land the way you hoped, you can restore a previous state or duplicate a past session to branch off safely. A helpful habit is to add a short note before big edits so it's easy to recognize milestones later. Next, the asset library is your shared hub for media. You'll find uploaded videos, images, audio tracks, stock assets, and any custom avatars your organization uses. Consistent naming and simple foldering make everything easier to find. When adding new assets, confirm they're approved for team use, so licensing stays clean across projects. To speed up production, create a master video and save it as a workspace template. Templates let others start with your brand-ready structure, placeholders, and styles. Consider locking core brand elements and leaving editable text and media fields so teams can personalize without breaking consistency. Access across your workspace is governed by roles and permissions. Full access provides control over settings, security, and member management. Can Edit allows users to create, edit, and manage content in their assigned workspaces. Can Comment is ideal for external reviewers who need limited access to specific videos. Assign the least access needed for each collaborator and review permissions periodically to keep things secure. Finally, organize your projects with folders by department, client, or initiative. Set permissions at the folder level to decide who can view or edit the content inside. A clear folder structure reduces confusion and helps safeguard sensitive work. That's it, a streamlined approach to using Synthesia's team features for fast, organized, and secure collaboration.